I found a keyword hack the other day, pickleball.
Okay.
I was just researching pickleball paddles. It's a sport that's picking up
Mm-hmm.
steam. I saw, what was it, 2024? There we go. Best pickleball paddles 2024.
Mm-hmm.
Before 2024, no one searched this. And now this is a pretty
Boom.
steady volume. And if I click on it, you know what? This is different than last time I saw this.
Mm-hmm.
Last time I clicked on this, the top products all had the word 2024 in them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. We got a lot of 2024s right
Mm-hmm.
there.
Mm-hmm.
So you can kind of see that if you're in one of those seasonal products, that how including, I mean, this
Mm.
product was just released, I think. Huh. And so it's a little keyword hack. Like if if you're in this category, I would absolutely include 2024 somewhere in your product. If we click on this graph, it actually is going to jump in further and show similar search terms.
Mm-hmm.
So kind of another place to explore the products that are ranking in the top and so forth.